we're gonna do some more stem and leaf plot practice. So we're gonna look at doing stem and leaf plot for whole numbers, decimals,
And fractions.
and mixed numbers. So since we just did a mixed numbers one, we're gonna go back to that, just so we can continue off where we left off. So, it says, here is a set of data showing the shoe sizes of the kids in 6th grade.
Is this true?
No.
That's
I don't think any kid is for,
Alright, we're going on. So, I may have to get a spit wrinkle.
like you probably have
Stop. Hey, guys, don't stop, please. Okay, so just like earlier, if we're looking at fractions, we're going to have my stem be my whole numbers and my leaves be my fractions. Okay. So what is my lowest, my smallest whole number? Okay,
4 and 1.
so I'm going to put a 4 off to the side. What's my next? Well,
6. The 5.
what's my largest whole number?
11.
So I'm going to go from 4 to 11.
I don't think anybody takes grade 11.
Guys, please stop. Okay, so now we're going to go through my list. What is the amount for 4 in my list of data?
1/2.
So 4 and 1/2. Okay, mark through it. For 5, what is my smallest amount? First, I'm gonna list 5. Cross it out. My next one would be, okay. Do I have any more for 5?
No.
Okay. For 6, what is my smallest? I have 2 of those, okay. Am I going too fast?
No.
Not really.
Okay, 7, what's the smallest?
There's 2 7s and 1 7.
So I need to do, here's my, a 7 here. Here's a 7 there, and then I have a 7 and a half. Patience. Okay, for 8. 8.
This is 8 and 8 and
8 here. 8 there. And then 8 and a half there. Alright, then I have
9.
9 and 9 and a half.
I'm not really doing what you did, Miss Christian. I just went through all of them, and then put them least to greatest in the chart.
Be careful doing that.
Okay.
Do I have any 10s?
Nope.
Do I have an 11?
Yes. And it's 11.
Okay.
Oh, well, Frank, tell me.
Yes.
Since we have so many whole numbers, would we put 0 4?
Yes.
Yes,
Well,
no,
like
it's
that.
0, 1, 0, 2, 0,
I can't even hear what she asked me.
Would it be 0 2 or 0
We'll talk about it in just a minute, okay?
4? Oh,
So, my stem is my
Your whole numbers.
whole number.
And then your leaf is your fractions, decimals, and your numbers.
Are we gonna put 10 on there?
No.
If we did, would it be okay?
No.
It would.
Yes,
As long as
it
it's
would.
anything next to
No.
the leaf.
I'm not gonna do it.
If I listed 10 as my stem, I could not put anything on my leaf there. So I'm not gonna do it.
I didn't. Yeah,
There's a brother. I didn't.
I just skipped it.
Okay. So before I go on, I want you to count the number of data pieces we have right here.
14.
14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I counted 16.
13, 14.
How did you get 16?
I got
Okay,
14.
hold, guys. Double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
Guess what we're gonna count now?
The top.
Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, both of those are matching right now. Alright, so for 1/2, what's my leaf gonna look like?
1/2.
1/2.
1/2. Okay? Alright, so now I have 5.
0, 2.
Looking at all my leaves that have fractions, what's the denominator?
2.
So what should the denominator be for the 0?
0/2.
0 halves. Yes.
So 0, 2.
Wait, this question, is it fine if we like put lines between the numbers?
What do you mean?
Like, so do you
Like
have a
going
four?
this way?
Yeah.
Yes. That's, I mean, you just won't see it like that on a real one though.
Okay, that's how
It's not gonna hurt it though. Just for you to keep it organized, that's fine.
I just did it so I could make sure that all my numbers are mixed up and it looks like.
That's
I was
okay.
gonna ask that same question.
That's completely fine. Okay, so I have 0/2 for 5. For 1/2, it's gonna be
1/2.
1/2. For 6 and 1/2.
1/2 and 1/2.
1/2, comma, 1/2.
Put 1/2 on the
7 would be 0, 2, 0, 2.
There. So I have 7, 7. So I'm going to put 0/2, 0/2, and
1/2.
1/2. 8. 0/2, 0/2, 1/2. Yes, I'm
I'm already done. Are you doing this whole paper today?
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Okay, for 9, my fraction is 0/2.
1/2.
Then I have 9.5. So I'm going to put 1/2.
Totally local.
For 11, my leaf is 0/2. If you are done, I need you to count your leaves and see if you have 14 of them.
14.
Yeah, I got 14. Yeah, I got 14.
14.
Got 18. This one will be easy. Dinner time.
All right. Now what do I need to do?
Make it easy.
Make a key.
Okay.
Okay? So, key. What else do I need to do?
The title.
Title.
Title. What is my title?
Sizes of kids.
Shoe sizes of the
Hey,
kids.
hold on, don't interrupt him, please. Finish Peyton. What were you saying?
Okay, shoe sizes of kids in 6th grade.
Okay, what were you saying, Gavin?
Shoe sizes of the kids.
Okay. I'm gonna abbreviate yours and put 6th grade shoe sizes.
recording this?
Mm-hmm.
Next thing you know, not recorded it.
No, definitely not. Yeah,
Okay. I'm gonna let you vote real fast. Who wants to go to whole numbers next?
Whole numbers.
Or who wants to go to decimals? Whole numbers, raise your hand. Decimals, raise your hand.
I'm not even gonna raise my hand.
Alright. Going to whole numbers.
Friday that we lost by one because he didn't vote.
Okay. So, still making stem and leaf plots. So we have our stem on the left.
Leaf on the white.
So, in the definition of stem and leaf, it talked about organizing them by place values, right? So on whole numbers, all these numbers are in the place value of what?
Whole numbers.
Place value. What's the greatest place value?
90. 56.
Okay, right.
56.
What?
Okay.
That's the least.
These are each two-digit numbers, right?
Yeah.
You have your ones place and then your... So all these amounts are in the tens place, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's how we're going to organize them. What is my smallest tens place?
56.
5.
Right.
What?
So we're going to have 50s.
What?
What's my largest tens place on here?
90.
So 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s,
I put 40, not 90.
90s. Holy moly.
Miss Ketchum, we're going from 1 to 90. 56.
How do you know it makes me think about like all the different like times, like 80.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So going through my list, how many 50s do I have?
One.
What is it?
56.
56.
Okay, everyone take a deep breath in and calm down. We have a lot of math to get through today. Okay, looking at my 60s, how many do I have?
3.
Okay, what's my smallest?
67.
I have 2 of them. And then I have
69.
okay. Hold on, everyone, time to catch up.
Yeah, I'm 80 years
All right, for 70s, what's my smallest 70s?
72.
Okay. What's my next?
74. No,
74.
74.
74. Guys. My next one,
77.
I have 2 of those.
70.
Then I have,
78. There's also a 74.
I missed one.
Yeah, there's a 74.
Yeah, I have one.
Now I'm in.
Any more 70s? No. Okay, 80s.
81.
Then I have
82. There's 2 of them.
And then 83.
All you gotta do on 90 is do 90, and then do 92, and then 93, 94.
Hey, can we please stay together?
Oh, I went ahead.
Hey, guys. If you're done, then sit there quietly. But when you all start overlapping each other, it gets really confusing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 90s. The smallest 90 is
90. Oh, why you put S?
Then I have
92.
Then I have
93.
4.
Then I have
94.
All right. Count how many pieces of data you have right here.
19 for the numbers and 19 for mine. I got 19.
19 here.
I got 18.
I got 19.
I got 18.
You should have 19, so double count it.
Okay. Let's see what's 14.
Y'all are being really silly. You should have 19 of them. So then go through my list and see which one you missed.
Because you did those first.
Can we go ahead and write?
Okay, for my stems. Here's my stems.
What do we do for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Oh, there we go.
No, what she wrote was 50.
50, 60, 70, 80.
Yeah, we just put 0 at the end.
Hey, did you tutor? You did? Okay. All right.
You're gonna be YouTube famous now, Miss Packer.
Huh?
You're gonna be YouTube famous now.
What?
Yeah. If you're recording, you're gonna be YouTube
Oh.
famous.
I'm so sorry.
I'll make sure to give you a shout out.
He said,
All right, your leaf for 50 is
6.
6.
6. But we were at 56 or just
Just 6.
What's that?
These are the ones I did. Oh, I missed
Oh.
I mean, what the heck?
It's easy. 2, 4, 7. What do we do for 90? Put a 0?
What is it?
On the bottom, would you put a 0 for 90?
Yeah.
Hold on. We're going to get there. I
Oh, I
promise.
like that journal.
Thank you.
From last year. Oh, she's looking at the answers from last year.
No, I'm not.
This person already knows the answers. That's how smart she is.
Okay,
Sarah.
so hold on. If you just put 5 for your stem, don't erase it yet because remember you make your own key, right? We're going to do 2 different ways for this.
Oh.
So I'm going to check this off right here. For 60, I'm going to put a what first to leave?
7.
7, 7, 9.
7 and then
7.
And then 9.
7 and then
Oh.
9.
Yep, that's how I did it.
For 70s,
What picture back?
We have a 2.
a 2,
A
4.
a 4,
A 7.
A 7.
A 7.
Another 7.
An 8.
And an
Another 1.
Another one bites the dust.
What?
okay, not okay.
Well, we said another one.
80s.
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 8.
I was going to say 5.
Okay, 90s. I have to have a placeholder for this 90s score,
This is where I
right?
stopped at because I got confused.
So I'm going to put a 0.
2.
That's right.
Okay, Gavin, I need you to stop going ahead and rushing everybody. My next is going to be,
2,
then it's going to be,
3,
and it's going to be.
4.
Okay, so now I need to make a key. This is super important.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty hard. The key is 32.0. Yep. Told you.
Okay, because you are telling me, so this could, I mean, if I didn't have a key, this could be 506. It could be 50.6. It could be 56.
Wait, does it have to be those numbers, or can I do my own numbers?
It doesn't matter. But the key is super important. I could have also done. Yes.
I don't have any more space for this.
Then just watch. If y'all don't have room, you can just watch. But you're not going to sit there and be giggly.
Okay. Yeah, that's how we did it last year, but I like doing it with the zeros, like the 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yeah. Teaching I wasn't talking to you, okay?
Hey, all of y'all stop. Is one right and one wrong?
No.
No, because I have a key that tells me. You're going to see it most like this most often. But does that tell me that this is wrong? No, because this key tells me that 50 line 6 is 56. Now I need to put a title, right?
Yes.
My title is going to be
Test scores or
Test
science
scores.
scores?
I'm just going to be science test, science quiz scores.
Don't want 100.
I hope the
Science.
they do that because we have a science.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't like that either.
Yeah, those
Guys, please stay on task. Alright, let's go to the next one. Let's consider a random sample of 12 concentrations of calcium carbonate in milligrams per liter. Guys, is that relevant to what we're doing?
No.
Okay, so don't overthink it. So these are in decimals. We're making stem and leaves with them. My stems are going to be my whole number, and my leaves are going to be my my decimal amount. What is my smallest whole number?
12.
My largest whole number.
30.
Okay. Don't be extra. Alright, looking at 12. What's my lowest decimal?
Probably 5.
12.5. Yes.
12. I think we only have one of those. Do we do 0.5?
I'm listing them right here still.
Our next one is 12.8. We have 2 of this. No, we don't.
Do you think a 13A?
12.9
Yes.
is the next. No, we only got 13, and the lowest one was
Okay.
13.
Looking at 13 now, what's my lowest decimal?
13 and a point 1. 13 and a point 1.
Okay, the next one. 13.2.
There's 2 of those.
Oh,
There's 2 of those.
just so that.
And then after the 2, it's
5. There's only one 13.5, and that's 13.7.
Then I'm at 13.7. I have several of those, right?
1, 2, 3 of those.
Wow.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Yeah, you said that, bro.
Okay, that is not an okay comment to make. You need to be kind.
Oh, 13.8. 2 13.8s. Done. Put them on the plot.
Okay, you need to count the number of data pieces.
12.
12.
Count them here.
12.
Okay. My stem is my whole number.
Number 12 to 13. You can do them
My
pretty big.
leaf is my decimal.
Miss Ketchum, you can do them pretty big when you only have 2 numbers.
Mhm.
5, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7.
Okay, do it to yourself, please. So after I made my stem and leaf, I checked to make sure I had the correct number of leaves as my data sample. Then I made my key, and now I'm gonna do what?
Title.
Yes.
Number of.
I'm gonna say concentrations of calcium carbonate.
That's a big word. That's a big kid word. I can't say that word.
Okay, once again, not necessary.
Wow, that's all I'm writing.
I was gonna say carbon dioxide.
Okay. Any questions on this? Concerns? What do we need to ask now? Questions?
Comments.
Concerns?
Questions, comments.
You
Comments?
remember at first
You said questions,
at first I didn't